Having bad credit can prevent you from buying a car, taking out a loan, or even renting an apartment. In this video, I'll go over 7 credit builders that can boost your credit. And the best part is that none of these will do a credit check, so low or bad credit are welcome. What's up, winners? My name is Nam. If you're new here, welcome. Here we talk all things personal finance and credit. Start out by subscribing so you don't miss out on any future videos. So let's dive in. First on the list will be the Cheese Credit Builder. This is an innovative credit builder loan designed to help you achieve your savings goals and build credit simultaneously. By reporting your on-time repayments to all 3 credit bureaus, Cheese helps you establish positive payment history, which accounts 35% of your credit score. Cheese's credit builder loan differs from traditional bank loans as the money you borrowed is held into a deposit account for a set amount of time, known as a loan term. After you've built your credit, they'll give you your principal back minus the interest. Here are the benefits of the Cheese credit builder loan. First, there's no credit check. So there's no credit check to open up a credit builder account, so it's easy to get started. Next is that there's flexible repayment options. Cheese allow you to choose a repayment plan that suits your budget. If money is tight, you can select a plan with monthly payments as low as $24. Next is automatic payments. To help you avoid missed or late payments, Cheese enables you to sign up for automatic payments, ensuring a consistent positive impact to your credit score. Another great benefit of Cheese is that there's no redundant fees. So Cheese does not charge any fees other than the interest, no upfront deposit, no admin fees, and no membership fees. They only charge an APR ranging from 5% to 16% based on your location. For example, if you are a borrower in California, you might have an interest rate of 12%. Just a heads up, Cheese Credit Builder is currently available in 43 states aside from these states over here. To get started with the Cheese Credit Builder, simply just download the Cheese app from the Apple Store or Google Play Store or apply directly from their website. With flexible payment options, loan amounts of $500, $1,000, or $2,000 in terms of 12 or 24 months, Cheese caters to a variety of needs. Remember, interest rates and terms might vary depending on where you live. Now let's keep it moving with our next credit builder, which will be with Koval Credit. Koval Credit allows you to improve your credit score by offering a $240 retail installment loan without a credit check. This makes it super accessible for people with poor or no credit scores. In exchange for that $240, they offer a variety of online courses ranging from interview skills and self-confidence to entrepreneurship and personal branding. These courses are designed to help you excel in different aspects of your life and support personal and professional growth. So why would you choose Koval Credit? First off, there's no credit check or hard pull, so anyone can sign up and start building their credit regardless of the current credit history. Next is that there's no fees or zero APR. Users can borrow money at 0% APR, making it an affordable option for managing finances. Another pro is that there are valuable courses. Koval courses offer a range of valuable information and skills that cater to various interests and career paths. And lastly, they have a return policy. They offer free refunds within 30 days if you don't like the courses for any reason. Now, keep in mind though that Koval Credit does have some limitations. First is that there is a limited loan amount. The loan amount is capped at $240, which might not be sufficient for some users. Plus, there's no physical products or services. The loan provided by Koval can only be used to purchase their online courses. Now, Koval Credit can be an excellent option for those with limited or no credit history, individuals who are looking to rebuild credit, and lifelong learners interested in personal and professional development. Now, let's move on to our next credit builder option, which will be with Stillify. They help you build credit by reporting on-time bill payments to all 3 major credit bureaus, which are TransUnion, Experian, and Equifax. And the best part is that there is no credit check, no interest, and no deposit required to join Stillify. So how does it work? Stillify uses your existing bills like utilities, streaming services, and rent, and other recurring payments to build your credit. You link your bank account, swap your payment information with the Stillify bill pay card number, and they'll handle the rest. When your bill due date arrives, Stillify checks your bank account balance to ensure it's sufficient to cover the bill. If it is, they pay the bill and debit your link account for the same amount. Now, let's talk about the costs. Stillify offers 2 plans, Lite and Prime. The Lite plan has a $500 bill limit and costs $499 a month, while the Prime plan has a bill limit up to $25,000 depending on the number of bills that you pay to Stillify, and it costs $999 a month. Sure, the fee might not be a deal for everyone, but just for $5 or $10 a month, the price of a coffee or two, you can set yourself on a right path to better credit. Stillify is perfect for those who are looking to build credit or looking to diversify their credit profile, especially if you're currently credit invisible. Next up is Kickoff. Kickoff is a San Francisco-based fintech company offering a revolving credit account, credit builder loan, and credit plus cash card to help improve your credit. So with Kickoff, you can build credit without a credit pull at 0% interest starting at $5 per month. The credit account, if approved, grants you a $750 credit line, which can only be used to purchase products from Kickoff. Kickoff targets individuals who are looking to build or rebuild their credit and is available in 49 states besides Delaware. The optional credit builder loan lets you transfer $10 each month into a loan, creating a small emergency fund while boosting your credit. The Credit Plus Cash Card offers early paycheck access, a $200 sign-up bonus, credit building through monthly spending reports, and cashback rewards. To apply, all you gotta do is sign up through the website or download the app, purchase an item from the Kickoff store, and link your bank account for monthly payments. Now, here's the pros and cons of Kickoff. As for the pros, there's no credit check or hard inquiry, easy approval process, no interest or fees, offers revolving and installment lines of credit, and can report to all 3 credit bureaus. As for the cons, there is a limited product selection, not available in Delaware, restricted credit line use, and credit reporting really depends on the product combination. Now let's keep it moving with our next credit builder, which will be with Viendo. Viendo is a unique credit card that helps you build credit using your card as collateral. Viendo extends a credit line in exchange for being a lien holder on your vehicle's title, provided that you own the car outright. They offer you a credit limit up to $10,000 depending on the car's make, model, mileage, condition, and your ability to repay. This credit card has a fixed interest rate, which is pretty rare amongst credit cards. So if you think this sounds a lot like a title loan, here's the difference. Viendo is an actual credit card and not a loan. It has a significantly lower interest rate compared to title loans, which can go as high as 300%. And also with this card, it helps you build credit, while title loans typically are not reported to the credit bureaus unless you default. So as for credit reporting, Viendo currently reports to Experian and Equifax with plans to add TransUnion later this year. It's also considered a revolving line of credit like a credit card, so managing your balances is essential. Unlike a secure credit card, which requires a cash deposit, Viendo uses your card's equity, allowing for higher credit limits without credit checks. To apply, visit Viendo's website or download the app. The process involved providing basic personal information and vehicle details. Now let's break down the costs and fees. There is a fixed interest rate on purchases, $40 annual fee, which is waived for the first year, 3% foreign transaction fee, which I would not recommend traveling with this card, and there's also additional fees for cash advances, balance transfers, late or return payments. So Viendo does offer a unique way to build credit using your card's equity, setting it apart from other credit building options. Next on our list will be the Extra debit card. Extra allows you to build credit without using a traditional credit card. So Extra is a debit card that reports your payments to 2 major credit bureaus, which is Experian and Equifax, allowing you to build credit history. So to sign up, simply just visit Extra's website or download their app. You must be at least 18 years old, have a US-based bank account, a US address, and also a social security number or ITIN number. Extra is especially helpful for those who are new to the US financial system or want to avoid traditional credit cards. Here are some key features with the Extra debit card. First is their spend power, which kind of acts like a credit limit, which is based on your bank's account balance. Next is the spend today, pay tomorrow feature, where Extra spots you for the purchase and the exact amount is deducted from your bank account the next business day. Now with the Extra debit card, it does not come free and there is a cost. It is $20 a month for just the credit building option, but if you want the rewards, which offers up to 1% on all purchases, it's $25 a month. The least expensive way is by paying an annual fee. It's $149 for the basic credit building service, with an optional upgrade to rewards plus credit building for $199 per year. So just as a side note, Extra currently does not report to TransUnion, which is the 3rd major credit bureau. As a result, you may have different credit histories across the bureaus, which can affect your overall credit worthiness. Let's keep it moving with our next company, which is Credit Strong. They are a secure lending fintech that offers credit builder loans to help people improve their credit scores. Credit Strong offers a variety of plans to cater for different budgets and timelines. So to sign up, all you gotta do is visit the Credit Strong website and complete the application process, which takes about 5 minutes. Your credit won't be affected as they don't check your credit. However, you do need a valid phone number, social security number, or ITIN, and a checking account, debit card, or prepaid card in good standing to qualify. So with Credit Strong, they offer 3 personal credit building plans, which is Install, Revolve, and CS Max. First, let's start off with Install, which is the most basic plan. Install helps you build installment credit with consistent on-time payments. You can choose your monthly payment, credit amount, and loan term based on your needs. Next is Revolve. With Revolve, you can build a revolving line of credit similar to a credit card. It helps improve your credit utilization and offers a variety of credit mix to your profile. So with this type of account, there is an annual subscription cost of $99. The last one is CX Max, which is designed for those who want to demonstrate responsible handling of larger installment loans. It is suitable for individuals who are looking to improve their debt-to-income ratio or need credit for business purposes. One thing to keep in mind is that Credit Strong isn't a credit repair service, but rather than a way to establish a positive payment history. So if you do miss a payment, your credit score may decrease. Keep in mind that you can cancel your Credit Strong account at any time without a penalty, and you'll receive a full refund of the money that you deposited minus the interest. So typically for fees for Credit Strong plans range anywhere between $28 a month all the way up to $449 a month. While it might not be the best option for earning interest on savings, it can be a useful tool for those who are looking to build or improve their credit score. Now, just keep in mind that improving your credit score is essential for your financial health, and these credit builders can help you achieve your goals in 2023. From the Cheese Credit Builder, Extra Debit Card, and Credit Strong to our other top picks, each option offers a unique feature and benefits that cater to all different needs. So evaluate your options carefully and choose the one that's best for you. With a little bit of patience and discipline, you'll be on your way to a better credit score in no time. If you want to hang out with me some more and learn more about credit, check out these videos over here.